Hello, my friend. Henry Olsen here on Super Simple Guitar, and I just got this new audio interface. And what I'm going to be doing in this video with you is I'm going to be unboxing this. I just got it. I've been waiting for it all day. And I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about what an audio interface is. And then in the next video, I'm going to be comparing the sounds of different ways that you can do home recording. So that's going to be the next video, okay? But for this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy here. Let's do it. Okay, so here we can see the box. All right, so here it is. So what is this thing and why do you need it? So basically what this is it's a way for you to get your guitar into your computer, which I don't have now to show you. So basically you take your guitar cable, you stick it in one of these ports, right? Now I know this is basic, but a lot of you are beginners and you've never had one of these things. So if this is too basic for you, then just don't watch this video, okay? So you can stick your guitar in there, or you can stick a XLR microphone cable in here too. So you could either use this to record your guitar, go inside of it with your guitar, or you could use it to record your voice, or you could use a microphone, put it in front of the amp, and then run the microphone cable in one of these XLR slots here, okay? So the point of this is to record your guitar or your voice, whether it's directly the guitar in or the microphone in from the amp, and take that signal with a USB cable, take that and record your guitar playing, okay? So here you just have a little gain knob, and that's just how strong the signal is going to be that's going into the computer. 2, right? So with this particular one, which is the Scarlett 6i6, so with this particular one, I have 2 input possibilities, right? So I can go in with a guitar and a microphone. So I send that to my computer, I go into my computer program, and then I could, for instance, sing, record myself singing and playing the guitar at the same time, right? So this one has 2, which is pretty basic. There are different models that have much more than that, okay? And then here I have a little monitor knob, and what that allows me to do is take the studio monitors that I have at my studio and plug them into here, and then run the sound to those studio monitors, okay? And then here you just have the volume for that, and also the opportunity to have 2 headphones. I don't know why 2, but I can have 2 headphones here and adjust the volume there, okay? So it's really basic. I just want to be able to get my guitar into the computer so that I can record it, okay? And in the next lesson, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be comparing the different sounds, either using one of these things, or I'm going to be showing you different ways to record your guitar sound at home too without using one of these. And we're going to be comparing the sounds in the next video, okay? In this video, I just want to show you basically what this is and why you would possibly need it, okay? So if you have any questions about audio interfaces, let me know, I'll help you out. And in the next video, as I said, we're gonna be going a little bit more into depth about recording at home, and I'm gonna be showing you different ways and different sounds that I'm gonna be getting, and also the software that I'm gonna be using to get those sounds, okay? So if you're interested in that, just watch the next video on my YouTube channel, or it's gonna be on Facebook as well. I might put a link for that once it's done, so you can check that second video out too. Okay, thanks for checking out this little unboxing video. I will see you in the next one. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye. Oh man, now I'm gonna have to clean this mess. Wait a second. I know magic.